I started by peeling the shallot, getting them ready for the sauce. I'm using here small ones, but if you have bigger ones, they are also okay for this recipe. I diced the shallot very fine. This is very important because it helps it infuse easily into the vinegar and white wine solution. Now, I add my white wine and vinegar to the pan. The normal measurement for this is 2/3 wine and 1/4 vinegar. I also added some bay leaf, thyme and pepper. Then let it reduce down by half. Once the wine has reduced, this becomes my base, a gastric we call this. Now I add cold butter little by little, whisking it gradually. This is what builds the sauce and gives it that silky texture. Please feel free to ask any question about this recipe where you do not understand. I will be very glad to help you out. I strain into a warm pan and whisk it once more to bring it together so the temperature is even and it doesn't split. I test and adjust the seasoning for salt or pepper if needed. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell to see more videos of this type coming out of our channel. This is it, a proper beurre blanc, the classic French sauce that pairs with fish and seafood. This is so gorgeous. How amazing is this? Anyone can make this using simple ingredients like butter, salt, white wine, vinegar, bay leaves, and yeah, check the ingredient out. It's so easy to find everywhere. If you want, you can also leave a comment suggesting the next video we should create here on this channel. I let the butter in the pan turn golden, not burnt, before laying the fish down. Then I leave it alone. I don't touch it anymore so it can caramelize properly before I flip. Please share this video with your friends and family or to whom it may be useful. because this also helps the algorithm to share this video with more people on YouTube. I flip the fish only once. That's the key. One side caramelized fully. Then you turn it and let the heat finish the fish gently from the other side. That's how you get a fish that's crispy outside and perfectly cooked inside. Before plating, I add a little chopped chive to the Beurre Blanc. This brings color and freshness to the sauce. Now, let me show you how I plate it. If you like this one, then check out a similar video on the screen. See you in my next video.